DTS data load. Emeraude allows the loading and display of array data. This means that, for the same depth, it is possible to load multiple columns of the same property. This in turn means it is possible to handle a great variety of data types, including, for example, cement and noise logs and distributed temperature DTS data. This video will demonstrate how to load and display DTS data in Emeraude. When creating a new document, click on DTS. While the icons on the ribbons remain the same as for PL or P&L, there is a specific interpretation panel, which contains workflow for analyzing temperature data only. However, all the options are still available when selecting PL interpretation, since the source of the temperature measurement may be a PLT. Starting from an Emeraude document that contains basic well information, the DTS data will be loaded in CSV format. Using the File View mode, see that the file contains the depth in the first column and the number of temperature tracks. It also contains the time each track was recorded. Check the Create Array option. Click on Settings and check the option to define time data. As seen in the file, the time data is in the second line, and the format is day, month, year, in hours, minutes. Going back to Field mode, define the first column as depth and the second as temperature. Emeraude will automatically assign the same measurement type and mnemonic to all the other columns. Make sure to select the correct units at loading. The temperature data is automatically displayed based on a color scale versus depth and time. In this case, the data shows the warm back of a water injector during a shut-in after an injection period. Right-click on the DTS image and select Explore. It is possible to see temperature tracks at any time simply by right-clicking on the image and selecting Show Values at any particular time. Also, tracks can be displayed for a particular log sample, for example 100 hours. Similarly, it is possible to see the temperature evolution versus time at a constant depth. Different tracks are displayed at different parts of the completion. Clearly, some zones warm more quickly than others, and this is related to the volume of water injected prior to the starting of the shut-in. Tracks at different times can be copied and displayed separately. These can be used for thermal modeling and simulation. This concludes this video on DTS data loading. The analysis of the temperature during the shut-in to determine the water injection profile is shown in a separate video.